Greetings, this is this, and I am me, and there's your, disassembly. Now we'll get started on the reassembly portion. This is what I'm calling the worst logic puzzle that I've ever had. Because it literally just falls apart. Maybe yours is, better constructed than mine. Maybe yours is a little more snug. I'm not sure, but mine, it falls right apart. So that's literally the best that I can give you for the solution. If you can't get yours apart, my suggestion will be to do my reassembly process backwards in order to take it apart, okay? So just, you have to watch the reassembly, but do it backwards. Okay. Anyway, the first thing that you'll notice about all of these pieces is that they're all the exact same piece. So there's no trick piece, there's no key piece, there's no pieces that are bigger or smaller than other pieces. You don't have to worry about any of that, okay? The second thing you'll need to notice is how to sort of put them together, which it's very simple. There is this sort of flat side right here, this, little pyramid structure. There's flat sides. So I'll take a flat side from this one and then an outside flat one from this one. See how this is on like the inside here rather than the one of the outsides. So I have an inside one here, then I have an outside one here. You just literally like lay them next to each other like that, okay? So all of like the pyramid tops should all be pointing in towards the center. You don't want something like this. You don't want something like this. You want this, okay? And like I said, all the pieces are the same, so it literally doesn't matter which piece you grab. Now, the other thing that I hate about this puzzle, besides the fact that it immediately just falls right apart, is that I don't know of a way to put it back together that isn't the sort of way where you have to like hold all of the pieces in your hand, like I'd like to set it down, but they don't stay the way you want them to if they're set down. So I don't know, I just have to hold it, which I know some of you are going to hate, but that's the best I can do. So hold these two firmly together. I'm just holding them like this. And what we're gonna want is, see, okay, here, let me show you. If you take all of them and you sort of put them, mon Dieu. So I'm taking, once again, one of the flat sides on the outside and laying it right there, okay? Then, this is impossibly difficult to show you while holding it. But okay, so we have a situation kind of like this, right? Another one can fit in there, laying on this side and this side and this side of this thing. Okay, and then you have one in there. And now you only need two more pieces to be put in place. I know it's complicated because you're like, wait, I don't even remember what it looks like when it's put back together because it was only together for 1 millisecond. But it's okay. It's just, this is how you do it, okay? So this one I'm going to be putting facing down like this, but across, so that it bridges across this gap. Like that. See? And then you would have one more and it would go in here, standing up and down. It'd go like this, but in here. But you can't very easily put it in there because everything is already in place, right? So you can't put it together piece by piece like that, which is why you guys are going to be upset with me, because what I know how to do is to take 3 of the pieces, so you basically split it into 2 halves. So you're going to want a piece on like the, well, I suppose this would be the x-axis. So you're going to want a piece that's going on the x-axis, so like this direction. Then you're going to want a piece going on the y-axis, so up and down. And then you're going to want a piece going on the z-axis, so going this way. So we have this direction, we have this direction, and we have this direction. Okay? Those are like 3 pieces that you want to hold them together like this. Okay, so once again we have this piece here, this piece nestled on top of it like that, and then this piece, these two sides, this side and this side, are going to go here and here, like that, okay? And I just hold those together like that. I might have to change my hand position, I'm not sure, because the tricky thing is that I also have to hold these ones, all three of these, you basically want to do this same thing with these three pieces in your other hand, and then you're just going to put them together. So for this one, we're going to need a piece over here, right? But in this hand. We're going to need a piece over here, but in this hand. And then we're going to need a piece on the top like this to mirror this piece on the bottom. Okay, so these are the ones that I need to hold in this hand, but while I'm already holding the other ones in my other hand, so it's complicated. It's very complicated, and I'm sorry. So, okay, we have our... Where did this one go? This is the one that's supposed to be standing up like this. Okay. So we have a piece standing up. We have a piece going like this. It's weird because I'm assembling it like backwards to you guys. Okay. So standing up piece, and then this side is going here. Okay. So it looks like that. It looks like that. Sorry, everything's always so shadowy. But we're going to be holding it this way. And then the other piece needs to be going across the top here. Going across the top like that, okay? This piece. So I have it pointed down like this, and it's going there. So hopefully without confusing you guys too much, I want to show you what it looks like from the other angle, but also hold it in place, which is very complicated. Okay. So see how they look? They look the same, but this one can be lined up perfectly to fit where this one should go. So this piece is going straight down. This is the worst assembly video I've ever done. Basically, this just goes here. How can I turn it in a way so that you guys will be able to see it? Let's put them both sideways. There we go. That's better. Okay. Basically, you've got your little pinwheel design here, and you've got your little pinwheel design here. If you can hear a dog barking, please ignore it. We're almost through this. You basically just want to line up. That side has a, you know, one going that direction, so you want an opposite one going that direction. Basically, everybody has a mirroring partner, okay? And this can just slide right in here, and it's so hard to see on camera through the different dimensions. But basically, it's all put together at that point, okay? But be careful because it can fall right back apart again if you don't set it down very gingerly and carefully. But then there's the stupid puzzle, okay? I hate it. It's horrible. See, it just falls right apart again. But you guys just deal with it on your own, okay? I did my best. That's all you're getting from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here are my nails. Bye-bye now.